Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see one more example of stored procedure, and this time the example will be with a parameter actually. So you will get to know how to use the parameter in your stored procedure. Okay. So before explaining you the example, I'll just let you know that we have, when we pass the parameter, we have three type of parameters. One is in parameter, then another type of parameter is out parameter, and the third one is in out parameter. Okay, so here I'm going to use in and out parameter. Okay, so what in parameter does, it actually takes input from user, and what out parameter does, it give as output to the user. Okay, and you'll get to know this thing in better way when I'll explain you the same thing in example. Okay, so for that, just pay attention here and get the example here. Okay, so for that I have written a small program, as you can see, as well as I have written a program to call the procedure. So let me explain you the procedure first. Okay, so here I have written create or replace procedure, then the name of the procedure. You can write anything, as I told you in my earlier videos as well. And under parenthesis, this round bracket, you have to pass the parameter, all parameters. Here I have, I'm passing three parameters. One is of in parameter and another two are of out type parameter. Okay, so first parameter name is p underscore id, which is of number type. The second one is p underscore name, which is of varchar2 type, and third one is p underscore salary, which is of number type. No need to mention size here. This is just to let us know that what kind of data it's gonna store, whether it's gonna store variable varchar type or number type or date type. That's it. We are not going to give any date size here. Okay, so here what we are doing, actually we are taking input from user as id, and according to this id we will be taking output as of name and salary. Means who is the person whose id is this thing, this is the id, and the respective person name and his salary. Okay, so this is how we are taking three parameters here, and then the keyword is, and under begin section we are using this parameter. How we are using, I'll explain you here. So select first name underscore first name comma salary into p underscore name comma p underscore sal. So as you can see, we have these two parameters, these two out parameters, p underscore name and p underscore sal. So we are taking value into these two parameters, p underscore name and p underscore sal. Select first name we are taking into p underscore name, and salary we are taking into p underscore sal. Okay, these both variable is of we have passed it as a parameter, and we are using this parameter here. Okay, from the employees table, from employees, where employee id is equal to p underscore id. As you can see, p underscore id is the in parameter here, so this in parameter we are using. Okay, so this is gonna result of the employee whose id is p underscore id, and we will give input as p underscore id, so that we will get to know, we will take output from procedure itself. Okay, then we are ending the procedure using end keyword and the name of the procedure. So this is how we used to write the procedure when we write procedure with parameter. Okay, when we are not passing any parameter, no need to mention this opening brace and closing brace. This round bracket is not required. Without, if you are not passing any parameter, no need to write this thing. Actually, just write the procedure name and then the is keyword and write whole executable section here. But actually we are passing here some parameter, so we have to write the parameter under round bracket. Okay, so this is what the procedure is. Let me copy this code and paste in our SQL workshop to run this. Okay, so let's jump to SQL workshop and paste it here and run this program. So as you can see, our procedure got created, procedure created. Now we have to call the procedure to get the output actually. Okay, so before that I'll show you the table employees first. Okay, for that let me delete it and do select star from employees. Okay, run this and we got the data. So let's take employee id as 100. Okay, so we'll take employee id as 100. We will get the first name and the salary of this employee, $24,000. Okay, so let's jump to Sublime Text here So here we have created the procedure. Now we will call the procedure. How we can call the procedure? So here actually we have three parameters in our procedure. In the procedure my underscore prog underscore name, we have three parameters. One is of in type and other two is of out type. Okay, so we have to declare all three variables here. Okay, and actually no need to declare this variable actually v underscore id, because we are taking input directly into this section. So let's delete it. Yeah, so here I have declared two variables, v underscore name and v underscore sal. These two variables I'm going to call it here. Okay, and actually these two variable is going to store the value of name and salary. How it will store? It will store from here actually, p underscore name and p underscore sal. P underscore name is gonna store name, and p underscore sal is gonna store salary, and those two value we are calling here in the form of these variables. Okay, so when I'm saying something like this is gonna give us the result, the name of the first the name of the employee whose employee ID is 100, and the salary of the employee whose employee ID is 100, and we'll be taking output as dbms underscore output dot underscore line, then v underscore name space v underscore sal. This is how we can call the procedure. Let's copy this and paste in our SQL workshop and run this code. So as you can see, we got the output mark 24,000. If you will change the employee ID here we will change the name and salary will get changed actually. Let's see what happened. Yeah, as you can see, Jennifer 4400. So this is how we can we can use this we can use this stored procedure. We can write the stored procedure with parameter. Okay, hope the example and concept is clear to you. For any confusion or doubt, let me know in comment box. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.